a little bit about what Farmchem does, and I kept this very general for everyone so that we'd have time for some questions at the end. So what we do is Farmchem was established in 1974 and as a service to the agriculture industry. Basically, the motto I use for Farmchem is that if it holds pumps or moves ag products, we most likely have it, right? And if we don't have it, there's a good chance we would design it for you if you need more than one. Over the years, our business model has expanded a little bit. We added an energy division, which is oil pumps, meters, DEF equipment, that kind of stuff. And a few years ago, we added the division that I'm in, and that's our professional products group in relation with Winfield. The equipment for the lawn, turf, ornamentals, pest control, that kind of stuff. So I'm one of the inside sales managers here, and that's the division that I work with primarily. I also do some of our product development and design, but primarily the sales side of it. Okay. Our corporate office is located here in Floyd, Iowa, which is where I am. And a little quick fact for you, I don't know where everyone's at today, but the temperature just went to 3 degrees. So we're having a heat wave here today. We do a lot of our warehousing here in Floyd. We do a lot of assembly, kitting, those kind of things. We have an engineering and manufacturing services location down in Memphis, Tennessee. We have electrical engineers that are down there. They help with the design of a lot of our stuff. 3 big injection mold press machines down there making pump parts and assemblies, those different kind of things. So that's what we do down there. So first, let's start off with storage. We've talked about through the different presentations today, different tanks, their applications, and I put this slide up just as some general conversation, and it's a true fact in that. So if you need a 2.5 gallon tank to go on a sprayer, or if you're looking to add bulk fertilizer to your site and you want to put up a 1 million gallon steel tank, we have all those options. So everything in between for storage. I'll touch again quick. Farmchem does not handle any kind of chemicals, right? So holds it, pumps it, moves it. We do that, but we don't sell any kind of chemicals. That's your Winfield rep for that. So. In this picture, I'm showing some of the pump assemblies in the upper left-hand corner there. Those are actually put together and ready to go out for customers. We do stainless steel pumps. We do poly pumps. We have mini bulk pumps. So if you're using cage tanks and you want to move your product out of those, we have a full line of pumps designed for those. We have meters. We have legal for trade meters. And coming up here in the next presentation will be Lee with Dosatron, and you can see we're a distributor for the Dosatron pumps for Winfield. Okay. Hose, we have almost any kind of hose you can imagine. I took some pictures in the warehouse the other day. The yellow and blue or yellow and black is some suction hose, but we have high pressure spray hose. We have standard pressure spray hose, the clamps. The pictures, the bottom left, and center are kits that our kitting department has put together. We're stocking up for spring, getting ready to go that. The orange is for what we use on some of our high pressure spray skids. So if you're looking for a particular hose or a hose for a particular chemical, we're here to help. You can email me, you can call me, you can get hold of me through your Winfield rep, and we'll help you find an applicable hose to use with your what you're wanting to do with it. So. Okay, this is some of our high pressure options that we handle. Spray skids, they're used a lot in the lawn care, pest control. We do see some of them out in field applications if you're wanting to go out and spray some fence rows. The stainless steel one there in the center on the top is made to fit into an ATV, UTV, so you can take it out to the field with you, do that. It was mentioned earlier about high pressure diaphragm pumps. That one on the bottom left, that is a AR North America high pressure pump. We have the Remco lower pressure diaphragm pumps, and then of course repair parts and kits. So if you are looking for parts or for a particular pump, Again, you can contact me or go through your Winfield rep, send me those questions. I'll be happy to help you. Even if we don't have it, I will get you directed to someone that can do that for you. A newer option that we have now here at Farmchem is we actually have some CAD engineers in-house, and we're starting to do a lot more large, primarily at this point, ag application designs. And these are fully automated sites, right? You come in, you enter your password, you tell how many gallons, what products, you park the truck, and when it's done, you're ready to leave with the truck, right? It's fully automated. But we're able to do those CAD designs now, lay it out for you. Even if you're not wanting to go to this full extent and you want to see what the plant design would look like, we have that option to build those for you. And that's just some examples of those. A new product we have in the bottom left there is the Batchmate Pro. And that's something we put together last year. And it's a semi-automated processing. It was kind of designed to go on a tender trailer, right? So if you're out, you got a big 3,000 gallon sprayer out in the field roaming around, this would help mix those chemicals together and put it in that sprayer. We have smaller versions of this. There are scaled options, things that can help you with your automation, making sure those recipes are mixed correctly for you without all the expense of a full plant automation site. This is some pictures out of our warehouse. Some of the options that we keep on hand here. The backpack sprayers were discussed earlier, and options with those. A forced air blowing system like the Solo 452 there, Birchmeyer, B&G, Aerofog. We stock all of that stuff, and we stock repair parts for it. I didn't put a slide in here on PPE, but gloves, respiratory care, Tyvek suits, all that kind of stuff, we keep it on hand. And you can either contact me for questions on that or get a link to our online catalog from your Winfield rep. Okay, well, I flew through mine pretty quick too. I was really hoping we'd have some questions. We could talk in detail on what your particular needs were. So I'll open it up, Kevin, to any questions anybody has. If they want to ask them live or send it in the comments, I'm ready. Heather or Kevin, you there?
Yeah, if we don't have any other questions, we can move on to Lee.
Okay.